Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren. Today I decided I would try a voluminous Victoria's Secret Angels blowout. It didn't exactly work the way I had in my mind, but that's besides the point. We tried, we still got a nice blowout ready for the week ahead. If you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. But please enjoy. I hope you do enjoy it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to start off using my Fabulous, what is this? It's this Fabulous hairdryer. It's actually like kind of like the Air Wrap, but I just love using it as the hairdryer. So we're going to start off with some hybrid mousse this is by Archive. This mousse is honestly unbelievable. It gives so much volume. So sorry, I'm kind of all over the place, but my hair has been washed, obviously. It's so long, it needs a haircut. We've also just recently moved into a new place, and I'm still getting the whole filming setup organized. So this is my first YouTube video in my new space. Okay, so we're going to give this a good shake. And look how it just keeps growing. It's crazy. It's such a good mousse though, I love it. So I'm just like putting it in like my roots and just kind of shaking it like that. I think the root is where you want the most volume. And then I will take a teeny little bit like that and just comb it through. Okay, for heat protection spray, don't ever leave this. I'm using the Bondi Boost one. I do love this one as well, but I mean, any heat protection will suffice. Now we're going to obviously just dry the hair. The tool that I'm using for the actual blowout needs to be used on dry hair. So we're going to dry the hair and then we'll get on with the blowout. Okay, my hair is pretty dry now. Oh my goodness, it is so long, it needs a haircut. The tool that I'm going to be using for the Victoria's Secret blowout, we're going to try it. I don't know how it's going to come out, but let's see. But it's the Bondi Boost thermal brush. I love this so much. I feel like it just gives me such a nice blowout, and it's silent, and it's just one of my favorite tools because it's silent, so I can like watch YouTube and just hear myself think. So anyway, we're going to section the hair. I usually do like 3 sections, and I find that really works for my hair. So I have a lot of hair and it's very thick. I'm going to spray some more heat protection spray on each layer now because we need to protect the hair. I did think about doing this with the Dyson, but then I thought I haven't actually, okay, it's ready. I haven't come on here and filmed a hair video in so long, and I just love this hair tool, so I thought I would use this one. And it's such a good tool. It's so easy to use, and obviously it's a fraction of the price from, compared to the Dyson. And I am also going to clip the curls. So I've been using this really nice bag for my rollers. I'm actually not very good with rollers, so let's see. I take like that much, we just roll away. And I was quite curious about how this would work the first time I used it on my natural textured hair, because my hair is naturally wavy. But as I was saying, this actually works really well on my natural hair texture, so very, very glad about that. I always just like to twist it and then pull it. And then it gives such a nice bounce. I love it so much. It's such a good tool. Okay, then I am just going to, actually, I am going to use my rollers because that's very Victoria's Secret Angels, I feel. So we'll just roll them like this and hope for the best. Okay, so I've actually decided I'm going to go from the back to the front because this curler is getting in the way. So we're going to work from back to front. Okay, so let's try this curler again. I don't do curlers often, so I'm not the best at them, but we're gonna do it for the Victoria's Secret look. Okay, the side is finished, but I don't have enough rollers, so I'm gonna have to take it out so I can do the other side. Oh, nice and bouncy, I like that. I think I will leave the top layer in for longer, because that's what really matters, is the hair that you can see, not the lower layers. Okay, time for the other side. I've decided that I'm going to only leave the rollers for the top layers of my hair because that's where it matters most. Okay, this side is done. I have decided not to use rollers in the end because it's just not working out. I don't know, I just struggle with rollers. So I think I need to do a series where I learn how to do rollers because I just can't get it right. Anyway, I probably also need to get a few more rollers because I don't have enough for my whole head. But anyway, we're persevering and we're getting to the end of this. Let me know if your hair also takes you about 17 million years to do, because this long hair, I've been sitting here for like 2 hours already and I'm exhausted. I know it's going to be worth it because a blowout usually lasts me 5 days. So we're going to finish off and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay, that is the finished hair look. I know it's not exactly the bouncy blowout that I thought I was going to do in terms of a Victoria's Secret blowout, but it's still a blowout nonetheless. It's still got a lot of volume and it feels really nice. So this is going to get me through the rest of the week. Let me actually just give it a bit of a brush. This is about as good as it's going to get on this Sunday afternoon. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm sorry it was all over the place. Let me know if you want to learn how to use some Velcro rollers with me, because I can definitely do that and we can learn together. But thank you so much for watching. Please come back and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.